Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A16 and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you should hold for a while your screen, doesn't matter which screen that will be. And now just here swipe with your finger and you'll see the transitions icon, tap there. Here we get set at the default transition, and now we can select one from these available transitions. So for example, I'll go with the rolled one. Just to set this transition, you should tap here on the home button, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our home screen transition to the roll one. And if you wanna just go back to the default transition, go again here to the transitions icon, tap here to default, tap on the home button, and as can you see, we just changed our transition back to the default one. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.